In this week's video tech tip, we're going to show you how to convert your standalone licenses to online licensing, which enables you the flexibility to work how you want and where you want. So let's take a look. To use online licensing, you need to go to mysolidworks.com and log in. This is your login information that you use for the customer portal. Here, you go up to the upper right corner, click the drop down, and go to the admin portal. This is where you'll go to convert to online licensing. You need to click the products button listed at the top. And then here, you browse and find the product you're looking for. So for this example, I'm going to pick my first SolidWorks license at the top of the list. You click on that, and here is where you click to convert to online licensing. It's that simple. The only caveat is you have to make sure that the license has been first deactivated from your standalone licensing. Now, when you open SolidWorks, you'll be prompted to log in with that username and password, and that's how you'll get access to your license on whatever machine you have your software installed on.